Ladies and gentlemen, what a beautiful thing. This is greatest investment I ever made, probably. Huh? Royal Crown 730, whatever in English. Because in my language we don't have this kind of digits. It's very unusual to me. It's like alien digits. Okay. What a great thing. It's so big even for our needs. I'm gonna need to find another purpose for it. We use it for house, for basement, for trailer, because we're gonna do some funky stuff in our trailer. We need it warm. But to fully use it without building up too much creosote, I'm gonna need to add my greenhouse, and I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna dig another trench, boom, 30-40 feet. That would be enough to connect to my greenhouse, and we're all set. Woods last for 12 hours easily. You can even load it if you're too lazy. Load it like up to 70-75%. It would last you whole 24 hours, no problem. But it burns wood more efficiently if you load it small, like few pallets, few logs you put it in. Don't fill it up, okay? I just understood that I gotta come back to learning English because I talk like a Next video you will watch like look, me like it. Do you like it? Me like it, and you like it. Everybody like it. Okay, so easy to use. I'm not gonna show you all the details because it just don't make sense. Just because it's so easy to use, huh? Come here, brothers and sisters. Look, I set it up for 180 degree. Now it's 70. Like in 2 hours probably it will reach 180. The heat builds up so quick, and what good about it, the temperature drop. Once you stop burning wood, you will have warm and hot shower for another day. This is how long it's gonna take to cool down this wood stove. It's wood stove? No, it's a boiler. Here is the water, pretty simple. Look, I like this chimney so bad. Look at the top. The rain cannot reach inside, yet it has room to breathe. If you of course understood my English, whatever I said, I just have to show you pictures probably. Connection was pretty simple. Boom, boom, boom. Go around, my brothers and sisters, go around, and I'll show you more. How deep you should bury your pipe. Underground pipe should go below frost, below the frost level. In Vermont, 3 feet and you safe. So we did 3 feet exactly, we just buried, no problem. Look, so simple. You connect return pipe to the pump, you connect hot water. That's it, let it run. When I need to connect the greenhouse, this is the pump for it. No problem at all. By the way, it's not gonna run non-stop. Once it reaches 180 degree, it stops. And it will keep the heat inside for a couple hours. Then when you start using your heat exchanger or blower, the temperature, the water temperature drops and it kick back again. All right. Let me show you how I connect heat exchanger, water heat exchanger, and the blowers. Come inside. Don't forget to subscribe, please. That give me incentive to learn English harder, okay? By the way, I learn English by watching funny videos. Piece of cake. Boom, this is hot water inlet. Then we use, this is not just heater, it's heater with blower. Boom, you see, blows warm air. Soon it will be hot air. This is hot as well. This is returning, by the way. Don't be confused that this red line, it's still cold. It's returning. I just don't care about colors as long as I can manage. Okay, heat exchanger. the most strange thing I ever seen. I didn't know that would be enough for our family. It's plenty. It's plenty enough. This is inlet from the ground, from well. Cold, hot. I never took such a nice showers because the propane burn, it doesn't give you that much heat. This is the G, okay? Why do I say G? Is it applicable here? I don't know. Give me some comments, correct me in my English, please. I really gonna learn. If you correct me, I'm gonna learn. But if you'll try to trick me, I'm not gonna learn. Okay, because I'm not gonna Google it. Whatever you put in comments, I'm gonna follow your lead. So if you tell me me like you, I'm gonna use this sentence of words. I'm not gonna say I like you, I'm gonna say me like you. So don't trick me, okay? Look, here is the pipe. I paid 17 bucks per feet for the pipe, for underground pipe. It's too much. If you don't buy from dealer or you just buy online, you will end up paying like 8 to 10 bucks per foot, no problem. You see here inside, I use uninsulated pipe because there is no need to pay so much for underground pipe. It's warm here anyways. All right, let me show you. Okay, by the way, this is the greenhouse one. I'm gonna install it in greenhouse and we'll see how efficient it is inside. Let me show you the connection for trailer, how I did it. Come with me, brothers and sisters, come. I'll show you how deep the rabbit hole is. Тихо, собаки, тихо. Babies, they wanna play. Babies, маленькие и хорошие. 5 dogs, 2 cats and 1 wife. I'm full house. Look at this beast. Look at this beast. Rom boom 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 boom. I'm bragging, you see. I love this country. You can work hard and make it happen. Let me kiss this soil. I shouldn't kiss this soil. I got warmth in my belly now. Okay, you see, all I need to do now is just insulate it down there. I'm gonna do it like probably with the Rockwell foam, whatever. I'm gonna use it, so I'm not gonna lose too much heat. Probably I'm gonna lose like 1 degree at most. Okay, so same thing in here. We can do our farming. We got everything set up. This is the LED light, so it will be perfect. Also in America, big problem, you see, when you just arrive to America, your belly is flat. Then in a couple of years you're like, oh, it's okay. Probably I'm gonna lose it, probably not. We'll see, we'll see. Write down below your favorite diet that can help. Do you like it? Me like it for sure. Please subscribe and I'm gonna show you more strange things, because it's actually not just entertainment. That will help us to survive winter that's coming. I'm not talking about just this winter, I'm talking about the winter, the global winter. Yeah, it's better be prepper and let people laugh at you. And then you remember yourself back in the days in another country, like, you think bad stuff cannot come to you to here? It can, so better prepare, huh? Great investment. Thank you for subscription, gentlemen and ladies. Love you. Love you. Окей, выключай. Все, пойдем по-быстрому снимем.